Hello, Beatrice here. Right, I'm doing Joe Wicks' 90-day plan to lose weight and get leaner and fitter and healthier. So I'm following his exercise program, his HIIT sessions. I'm on cycle 1, and today I did cycle 1 and day 3. Little bit tired here, but anyway, I'm going to do them all every day. So just follow along here, and you will see that you can do it too. Because if I can do it, you can do it too. So let's lose weight together. Join me in this body transformation, okay? And in 90 days, God knows how it will look like then, okay? So just 1 second so I can see if I've forgotten something. I've got a note here. So why should you follow me? Well, I'm overweight, and if you're overweight, let's do it together so we can lose it together. Much more fun. Okay, and then how? Oh yes, please subscribe below so you can follow my journey, my ups and downs, because there will be some ups and there will be some downs on the way. I'm pretty sure of it, because I've been doing weight loss now for, well, many years. So I'm counting that this will be the final thing that will, take me to my final destination, okay? Lots of love to you all. Just 1 second if I've forgotten something. Okay, yes, I am posting 4 to 5 days a week, because it's got 5 workouts a week. So there will be more or less 1 every day, okay? Lots of love to you. Bye-bye.